Hello, in this video we will learn how to convert the different units of mass, and we are still continuing to learn how to convert a larger unit into a smaller unit. We are already done with the units of length, converting a larger unit of length into a smaller unit of length. Here also the process remains the same, but there are a couple of new units that I am going to introduce to you, and that requires a little bit of more visualization before we can proceed. So let me rapidly introduce you to the different terms of units of mass and the newer units. Let's start with the larger unit. So we've got a unit called a ton, and then we've got a unit called a quintal, and then kilogram. Now remember, kilogram is the SI unit of mass. And then we've got a hectagram, a decagram, a gram, a decigram, centigram, and a milligram. Now, what is the basic conversion? So 10 milligrams will make up a centigram, 10 centigrams will make up a decagram, 10 decagrams will make up a gram, 10 grams will make up a decagram. I'm sorry, I said 10 centigrams will make up a decigram. My apologies. 10 grams will make up a decagram, 10 decagrams will make up a hectagram, and then we require 10 hectagrams to make up a kilogram or 1 kilogram. But now, how many kilograms make up a quintal? And here is where it becomes slightly different. 100 kilograms make up a quintal, not 10, not 10. Do not remember it this way. So, 100 kilograms make up a unit of mass, which is called a quintal. And then 10 quintals, again, we come back to the same conversion factor. 10 quintals will make up 1 ton. Now, rapidly, let us just visualize it. Visualize what a ton appears like and what a quintal is. Let us just visualize. Let's take a tiny little example and see what a ton and a quintal basically is. And let us look down here. So what I've done here is I've made like 10 blocks. So this is the first block, and I was second, third, fourth, fifth, and I got like 10 blocks. So I've made like 10 blocks here. And let us assume that all of these 10 blocks are 100 kilograms each. So each block is 100 kilograms. So what I've done here is I've also written that each block has a mass of 100 kilograms. So if each of them is 100 kilogram, can you guess what is the unit that we can call it? What is a simpler unit that we can call it? We can call it 100 kilograms, that's right. But we can also call it a quintal. So I have got 1 quintal here. Let's write in small q. So this is the unit, 1 quintal. So this is 1 quintal, and this is another, and this is another. So a total of how many quintals do I have? I have got 10 quintals of mass here in 10 blocks, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 quintals. Now I can also call all of these weights together, all of them together, as 1 ton. Tonna. So 1 ton is equal to 10 quintals. I hope this is amply clear. But now, if each quintal is 100 kilograms, let us say each block, 1 quintal, the block of 1 quintal is 100 kilograms. And what I've done is I have made a large number of nearly spherical structures, and each of this structure is, let's say, 1 kilogram, right? So now, let me say, if I give you a problem that find out how many kilograms 1 ton has. So 1 ton is equal to dash kilograms. So what can you do to do this? Well, there are two steps, two ways of doing it. You can convert 1 ton into quintals, and then whatever value you get for quintals, you can convert the number of quintals into kilograms. So that is one way. So let us just proceed in that particular way. So what is, let's proceed by this way. 1 ton is how many quintals? And let's look at the image. Let's go back to the image. And 1 ton is 10 quintals, because you can actually see them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 blocks. So 1 ton, let's just write small t for ton, equals to 10 small q for quintals. Now you've got the first step done. So the first step is done. Now let's proceed to the second step. If 1 ton is 10 quintals, then 10 quintals is equal to how many kilograms? So what you can do is you have to count the number of kilograms. So 10 quintals. So let us just look at the first quintal. So 1 quintal has 100 kilograms, and you can actually see 100 kilograms here in this image. So you can take like, do it like 100 kilograms in the first block, 100 in the second block, 100 in the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. So what you can do, you can add up 100 10 times. You can add up 100 like 10 times, and you can go on like this, and you can add up 110 times. And what do you get? You get like 1,000 kilograms, right? You get 1,000 kilograms. Rather than doing this multiple addition, you know the mathematical operation of multiplication. If a same number is added over and over again, it is simply multiplication. So what do we do? We say 100 kilograms are added 10 times. It's the same thing, and you get a value of 1,000 kilograms. But you see, in order to solve this small problem, how many kilograms are present in 1 ton, you proceeded with so many steps. So rather than doing this, such a big massive calculation, there is a simpler method that we've already done. Why I did this was so that you could actually see or visualize how much is a ton, how much is a quintal, and how many